I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get step response in Matlab. Open Matlab, create your transfer function with TF or state space with SS, and call step to simulate the response. Use options like steplot and LSIM for more control, and apply margin, stepinfo, or bode to extract metrics such as rise time and overshoot. I'll guide you through commands, common pitfalls, and simple examples you can copy and run. Start by defining the system you want to analyze as a transfer function or state space model. Use TF, num, den to create a transfer function, or SS, A, B, C, D for state space representation, and verify stability with pole or eig functions. You can convert representations with SS2TF or TF2SS, which helps when certain commands require a specific model type. Keep your units and scales consistent before simulating the step response. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs well with learning practical skills like Matlab so you can budget time and invest in learning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Simulate and analyze the step response using Matlab plotting tools. Use step, SIS for a quick plot, steplot for subplots and plot options, or LSIM for arbitrary inputs and time vectors. Run stepinfo on the response or model to obtain rise time, settling time, and overshoot values, and use grid, title, and X label to make plots readable. I'll show how to save figures and export data for reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.